Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Computer Science, class 5, lesson number 3rd, second part. In the previous video, Mr. Bully introduced us with bullets and numbering. Mr. Bully says, I am very simple tool. I help in making three types of list: bulleted list, numbered list, outline numbered or nested list. Bulleted list means it contains a bullets that refer to the symbols that can be placed before the list items. It has no sequence or order. The default bullet is circle. How to make bulleted list? Click on the bullets icon from formatting toolbar. Place the cursor from where you want the list. Type each list element in the document by pressing enter. Another method is select text you want as bulleted list. Click on bullets icon from formatting toolbar. There are two methods. First is select the bullets from the formatting toolbar and choose the bullet whatever you want, then write the list. Second one is first you write the name or you make a list of items, then select all the items and go to uh, formatting toolbar and click on the bullets. You can see bullets have come. In the same way, numbered list. A numbered list is the one which has list of items in a proper sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a number list, click on numbering item from formatting toolbar. Type each list element by pressing enter. When you will type the first name of your list, press enter. Number 2 will come automatically. Then you have written milkshake, press enter. Number 3 will come automatically. This is a numbered list. To define a bullet list, select the list, click on the bullets icon, click bullets and numbering, select the new symbol of your choice from bullet tab or define new bullet. We have learned now. First, write all the names which you create a bulleted list. Then click on bullets and numbering. There will be different types of bullets. You can select any bullet and click on OK button. In the same way, different types of numbers are also there, like 1, then half bracket, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 1 complete bracket, Roman number, capital ABCD, small ABCD, small Roman numbers. We can choose whatever we want. Nested list, or we can say outline numbering. A nested list refers to list within a list. When we make a list within a list is called a nested list. It has multiple levels. It is mainly used when you require headings and subheadings. To create a nested list in Writer, you can make your own outline numbering option like this. To type the list item, select the type list. Click on bullets icon from formatting toolbar. Click bullets and numbering. It means this is a main list. This list between this is between this. List within a list is called nested list. Like you can see here, it is number one food items. A, egg, bread, wheat, fruits. This is a in the number one there are A to D list are there, and number two drinks, coffee and juice. Number three, it means list within a list, like you can see 1, 1.1, 1.1.1. List within a list is called a nested list. Bullets and numbering toolbar. When you will click on bullets and numbering, a toolbar will open and the first button is bullets on and off. It is a toggle option and is used to display or hide bullets from the list. What is toggle button? In which on and off option is there. Numbering on and off, it is also a toggle option and is used to display or hide number from the list. Numbering removes a number from the list. Restart numbering. This option is used to restart the number from starting from the 1. Bullets and numbering. This option is used to open bullets and numbering dialog box. Alice says, Mr. Bully, you do so many things. How do you remember so many options? Mr. Bully says, Dear Alice, it's practice. You will also find it's easy one. You practice regularly. And in the same way, you will do the practice of OpenOffice Writer, bullets and numbering commands and other commands. Then only you will be able to remember or learn all the commands. This is a hands-on. You have to do it from your home. Mr. Bully asked Alice to open the documents hand-on and type practicing bullets and numbering at the center and do the following. Make a list of family members and format it using number list. First, what you have to do, you have to make a list of all the family members you have and you have to do the numbered list. Make another list telling the age of each member and format it using bullets. Second, you will create a list the age of all of your family members and you will create bullets before them. Copy the bulleted list and try applying new bullets to it. Once you have created the bullets, then select all the list and change the bullet also. Make a nested list showing name of each family member and their age intended on next line. Next, what you have to do, you have to write the name of your family member and in the nested list, you have to write their age. Thanks for today's session.